topic is really very interesting. टॉपिक इतना इंटरेस्टिंग है कि बहुत से लोग इस समय घर में योगा कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पहुँच नहीं पाए हैं. स्टिल वेटिंग कि योगा कंप्लीट करें तब यहाँ आएँ. Now, yoga as such is a very established science, though it originated in India itself, but now whole world recognizes it, and now it is a scientifically proven, preventive, and you can say it's being used for treatment also. And the best audience, which probably I am seeing here, should be a young ones. If somebody adopts these techniques, whatever is described totally in yoga, probably there are very high chances that if he starts in the childhood, probably he may remain illness-free throughout his life. To cover this topic, I'm requesting our chairperson first, Dr. Umeshwar Pandey and Dr. Avdesh Sharma, to please come on the dais. Dr. Umeshwar Pandey is Associate Professor, Institute of Cardiology, and Dr. Avdesh Sharma is Assistant Professor, Institute of Cardiology. This Institute of Cardiology is a famous institute in our country. Luckily, I was also the student of this institute. My Institute of Cardiology, where they are working, they are doing excellent work. They are doing the national and international level work, and they have brought this center as one of the best centers in the country now. So I congratulate Dr. Umeshwar and Avdesh Sharma for working so hard for this institute. Now I request today's speaker, the vibrant speaker, Dr. Aarti Lalchandani. I also request Dr. Snehta Verma, the faculty in Department of Medicine, to come on the dais and chair the session. LPS Institute of Cardiology is also famous because Dr. Aarti Lalchandani, DDM Cardiology from the same institute, and is a very senior cardiologist of this city and the country. And at present, जैसे योगा का नाम अपने स्वामी रामदेव, मोदी जी योगा का नाम नेशनल से इंटरनेशनल लेवल तक पहुंचाया, उसी तरह डॉक्टर आरती लालचंदानी भी प्रिंसिपल होने के बाद इस मेडिकल कॉलेज को नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल का मेडिकल कॉलेज बनाने में लगी हुई हैं. वी ऑल विश हिम ग्रेट सक्सेस. और इनका अगर इंट्रोडक्शन दिया जाए तो विल टेक एन आवर. इनके इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत नहीं, क्योंकि अब बच्चा कानपुर का और इस यूपी का पर्टिकुलरली मेडिकल फैकल्टी डॉक्टर लालचंदानी को सब बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं. और इस मेडिकल कॉलेज में ऐसे प्रिंसिपल हुए हैं, बहुत कम हुए हैं. लोग जो पहले कभी 2G स्पीड 3G स्पीड से काम करते हैं, ये 5G और 6G स्पीड से काम कर रहे हैं मेडिकल कॉलेज में. और उम्मीद है कि बहुत ही आगे होने वाले काम बहुत तेज़ी से होंगे. ये चाहेंगे कि जब तक ये प्रिंसिपल हैं सब काम तेज़ी से होते जाएं, मेडिकल कॉलेज को इंटरनेशनल लेवल तक पहुंचाया जाए. So I request Dr. Aarti Lalchandani to please talk about yoga, the way of life, an effective tool to contain current pandemic of this non-communicable diseases in India. Dr. Aarti Lalchandani, please.
A hearty welcome to all, especially I'm very happy that Dr. Mohsin Wali happens to just walk in as I am about to begin this lecture. I'm so much honored that you will be the audience for my lecture. मैं सोच रही थी हॉल खाली है, पर आपने आके हॉल भर दिया. So today I will talk about yoga way of life, an effective tool to contain pandemic of non-communicable diseases in India. Actually, yoga is a method of controlling, preventing, and actually it is the only method of preventing NCD, non-communicable disease. And you will be surprised also many infective communicable diseases because it also increases the immunity. So yoga is just a wonderful thing. I have been allotted 45 minutes, पर मैं इतना आपको बोर नहीं करूंगी. मैं आधे घंटे में I will try to 20 minutes में I try to wind up. Because if you start speaking on yoga, then maybe even 3 hours, one full matinee show time will be insufficient. So yoga means basically a union, unity. Or there are many definitions of yoga, but the literal meaning is that to unite, to become one. One what? One means our spiritual state, हमारी आत्मा और ये शरीर, to become one. That means we sort of leave our bodies, we get detached totally, and then we merge with the Almighty. So that is yoga. Or to live in reality, that is yoga. Yoga means to become one with the world and yet to transcend everything. So that is yoga. It comes from this word yoga, or union. Actually, literal meaning is also union. Sadhguru, who is very popular motivational speaker today, and a yoga guru, he defines this yoga as a reality. He says that is what reality, what exists is yoga. Nothing else exists except this yoga. So it is a union. And it has a form of exercise of the body and mind. Mind is exercised by the activity of breathing, pranayam and Bhastrika pranayam, Anulom Vilom and Sudarshan Kriya. All these are various forms of breathing exercises. And then for the spirit, how will you exercise the spirit or become one with the spirit is by meditation. So yoga is exercising, activating, rejuvenating your whole body, all the parts of your body, mind, spirit, everything in totality. It is such a wonderful thing that for ages, thousands of years, ages doesn't mean hundreds of years. For thousands of years, this yoga existed even before before human life. This yoga had existed because yoga is supposed to come from the divine. These are two forms of yoga. So either you do yoga or this is your choice. Now yoga for heart, if we start from yoga for heart, it reduces the bad cholesterol, increases good cholesterol, reduces platelet stickiness, reduces work of heart, cleans arteries and veins. Actually, I had some slides where I put references for all these. But if you look at the net, when I went through the net, I found there are thousands of references from all over the world. And you will be surprised that not only USA, all the parts of USA, Indiana, Houston, Texas, Pennsylvania, Philadelphia, Boston, lot of reference, Boston, UCLA, University of California has got a center for yoga, New York, and then England, UK, Australia, and even lot of references from Southeast Asian countries, Bangkok, Thailand, and all, lot of references, Philippines. And then I also found from the Middle East also, you'll be surprised, that there are lots of references from Middle East. So I gave up quoting the references or the papers or the authors because that would be a very big exercise. It's already on the net. So this is what yoga achieves. Yoga is an ancient but perfect science actually. As you saw, what it does in the heart deals with bodily health to self-realization. So it goes beyond the body, its effects go beyond the body. Yoga is a lifestyle, yoga is a way of life, yoga is the truth, yoga is the finality, yoga is the final conclusion, yoga is the inference. Yoga is birth, yoga is origin of man. It reduces stress. How it works in heart disease? Reduces stress, reduces heart rate, reduces blood pressure, innumerable studies on this. Reduces sympathetic overflow, reduces heart size. There are so many drugs which you give for, like you study that beta blocker increase heart size and calcium channel blocker like amlodipine and all, they reduce the heart size. Here yoga reduces the heart size. You name any drug, the yoga has that action. Any drug which you give for heart, even dilatation of coronary vessels has been seen with the practice of yoga. Improves circulation, promotes healing after heart attack. Can you believe it? It prevents the remodeling. You give drugs to prevent remodeling. So it can replace all the drug. But when it is given before the disease actually sets in, or after the disease sets in, if it is done religiously, people say, मैं तो रोज योगा करता हूँ, मुझे कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. They do 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour every day. And they say, मुझे कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. Yoga should be done throughout the day if you are already suffering from a disease. Even eating in a certain way. See, breathing is yoga. What more you want? Even eating in a certain way, sleeping in a certain way, yoga. Thinking, meditating, studying, concentrating on anything is also a yoga. Doing in a certain way. Yoga is not done randomly. Exercise या gym कितना नहीं होता, हाथ ऐसे ऐसे कर दिया, कोई movement copy का. You cannot do it without a guru. अगर आप देखते हैं movements किस तरह हो रहा है, हाथ ऊपर नीचे दाएं बाएं and all, by instructions. There are so many songs जिसमें कि they teach you how to do exercise and kung fu and all. But it's not like that. It is to be done in a certain way. कितना angle, कितना क्या, कहाँ देखना है, आंखें कहाँ देखनी है, सांस का breathe in करना है कि breathe out करना है, कहाँ पे hold करना है. Very, very exact science. It is very exact. You just can't copy it ऐसे देख के or randomly and just suggestively you cannot do. It is very exact. It reduces the sympathetic outflow, dilates the blood vessel in hypertension, relaxes muscles, reduces heart rate, increases dopamine, serotonin, GABA levels. Happiness hormones increase, causes relaxation and contentment also comes from yoga. Can you believe it? Have you heard of anything which you do which can give you contentment without supplementing any physical supplements? Nobody is giving you money or food or clothes or whatever, but yoga is giving you contentment without any physical supplements. How wonderful it is. Health benefits of yoga: improves brain function, calms the mind, reduces stress, improves memory, improves alertness. In diabetes, you can reduce blood sugar without any medicine, without insulin. Reduces blood sugar, decreases insulin resistance, decreases body weight, decreases stress, decreases dose of drugs required, disease, decreases requirement of insulin. What more evidence? There is evidence for all. What more evidence you want? Then yoga includes not only these exercises, sukshma, vyayam and pranayam, etc. It also includes ucharan of Om. This Om itself, there are about 500,000 pages minimum written on just this Om, which you must have been seeing because of WhatsApp. We get so much knowledge. If WhatsApp is used properly, we get so much of knowledge about this Om. Now everybody knows. Even I didn't know about Om. Through your WhatsApp only I started reading these messages, very interesting messages, and learned that this Om is a magical sound. and it connects you with the cosmic energy, cosmic space. The divine, it is a divine sound. It is a sound coming from the sun, from the other planets, from galaxies, from the earth. This Om also, a part of yoga, Om Ucharan, heals, repairs, rejuvenates, relaxes, calms and cures. I have just condensed this whole Om into one slide. Then yoga therapy, it relieves anxiety, depression. In post-traumatic stress disorder, very, very effective. OCD, obsessive compulsive disorders, are completely cured with the practice of yoga. About PTSD, because it is the only way to cure PTSD, that is why in Army Defense Services, yoga has become mandatory, because this is the only way that when during these combating and all, somebody loses a dear one on the battlefield or sees someone dying, they see their colleagues, their friends, their seniors and juniors dying on the battlefield, struggling with their life and trying to save them, they get affected for their whole life. So they have to come back, they do yoga and they go back again with a fresh mind. So yoga heals after torture also. Yoga is Vedic science, divine science. Yoga is a cosmic science. There is no science like yoga. That is why after all these studies and so much of literature about yoga, so much of benefits, so much of proof, so much of evidence-based reports, International Yoga Day, with the efforts of our Prime Minister Modi ji, 21st June was declared as Yoga Day, and internationally 5 times the number we do in India yoga on that day, it is done in the world. 5 times the population which practices yoga in India. Meditation is yoga. Yog Nidra. If you know how to go into this sleep state, yoga Nidra, then even 1 hour sleep is equal to 10 hours sleep. You don't need 6 or 8 hours sleep. If you can practice this yoga nidra, even half an hour, 15 minutes, 1 hour, more than enough to relax and rejuvenate, repair, heal your whole body and make it absolutely fresh again. Asana, exercises, postures, breathing exercises, and stretching. Stretching is again done in a certain way. Again, this is not random stretching. It's not gym. People say that, "Arey, मैं योग नहीं करता हूँ, मैं gym जाता हूँ," and all. Gym is not even a fraction, a minuscule fraction, 0.00001% of yoga. It is not, because yoga is not just simple exercise. Yoga is a miracle for achieving happiness, physical health, mental health, prosperity, confidence, strength, and vitality. In this picture you can see the stretching, the asana, and how gently it is done. Nothing done with jerks. Gym and all are done with jerks. They are jerky movements. Here there are no jerky movements, and there is a very scientific reason for that. It gives you vitality if done properly. Instead of making you tired, yoga makes you fresh and relaxed. Yoga for spiritual well-being, emotional stability, peace of mind, mental clarity, concentration, alertness, and creativity. Yoga for beauty, slim figure, lean figure, muscle development, for your abs, shapely figure, flat abdomen. You know, the most beautiful heroines and handsome heroes, there is none who does not do yoga. They all practice yoga. Now this was a picture of yoga. Somebody straightened it कि ये उल्टा लग गया है. So perfect is yoga. Yoga increases hormone secretion, increases digestive enzymes, increases metabolism, decreases catabolism, regenerates and retards degeneration and aging. With yoga you can also perform a full surgery without anesthesia. It also hypnotizes. Science behind yoga: effect on emotion and cognitive function, effect on amygdala and cingulate cortex and hippocampus. This is just a condensed version. Controls adrenaline and cortisol secretion. That is why it reduces stress and depression. Sympathetic responses turned off, parasympathetic responses turned on. So directly it can bring down your blood pressure within seconds, within moments. Reduce your blood pressure, reduce your heart rate, reduce your blood sugar, and it can make your angina disappear, immediately calm you down, reduce your heart rate. Immediately all this can be achieved. So many yogic thanks.
Many patients I have seen, or you may be encountered, that many patients have told that I have no time. So I should say that you should do only 10 minutes or 5 minutes. Start with a 15 minutes. And when you develop the interest and when you see the benefit of the yoga, you will certainly do more times, you will devote more times, because this is very beneficial in all the aspect, as madam said. So मैं तो उनसे कहता हूँ कि आप जो टाइम नहीं है इसके लिए ये बहानेबाजी है. आप इनसे बस ये बोल दो कि अगर आपको ये पता लग जाए कि यहाँ से हमको 1 लाख रुपए का फ़ायदा होने वाला है तो आप उसके लिए टाइम निकाल लोगे. तो मैं कहता हूँ हेल्थ से ज़्यादा बेनिफिट वाली कोई चीज़ वर्ल्ड में है ही नहीं. कुछ और बिजनेसमैन होते हैं, वो भी इस बात तक भी नहीं समझ में आता है. तो मैं उनसे ये तक कह देता हूँ कि जो लाइफ में आपकी जो इंक्रीज़ होगी लॉन्जिविटी, उसमें आप ज़्यादा कमा लोगे, इसलिए ये आपका फ्यूचर इन्वेस्टमेंट है. तो वो कहते हैं, तब उनको बात समझ में आती है, हाँ ठीक है डॉक्टर साहब, मैं 10 मिनट करके देखता हूँ. और वो जब वापस आते हैं वो 2-3 महीने में दिखाने के लिए, फिर उनको लगता है कि देखिए मेरी रिपोर्ट तो बहुत अच्छी आ गई सर. तो मैं कहता हूँ कि एक्सरसाइज लग रहा है, आप योगा शुरू कर दिया? कहें हाँ यार शुरू कर दिया. और उससे मैं देखता हूँ फिर धीरे धीरे वो इंक्रीज़ करने लगते हैं अपना टाइम ड्यूरेशन, और उनकी वेलबींग भी, उनकी हैप्पीनेस, उनके बात करने का ढंग सब चेंज हो जाता है. तो मैं आपसे कहना चाहूँगा, जैसे मैडम ने पूरा, बहुत मैं आभारी हूँ कि मैडम ने जो बिल्कुल क्रिस्प और सारी चीज़ें थोड़े टाइम में ही समझा दी हैं. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
एक आदमी क्या योगा करने बड़ा परेशान रहता था, उससे कहा गया योग क्लासेस अटेंड करो, सारी परेशानी दूर हो जाएगी. तो वो गया एक योग क्लास में. तो पहला दिन था, तो वहाँ पर उसको योग गुरु ने बताया कि तुम लोग सब ध्यान करो कि तुम कौन हो, कहाँ से आए हो, कहाँ जाना है, किस लिए आए हो, किस लिए जाना है, चलो ध्यान करो. 15 मिनट तक बैठ के ध्यान करो. तब वो उठ के थोड़ी देर में जाने लगा. अरे तुम जा कहाँ रहे हो? तो उसने कहा मैं इसीलिए तो आया था, मैं आजकल मेरे को बड़ी परेशानी है, मैं गाड़ी लेके निकलता हूँ, चौराहे पे खड़ा होता हूँ, मैं कौन हूँ, मुझे कहाँ जाना है भूल जाता हूँ. फिर थोड़ी देर गए, कहीं बाजार में चले गए, यही भूल जाता हूँ क्या खरीदना था, क्या लाना था, क्या घर जाने का रास्ता भूल जाता हूँ. मैं इसीलिए आया. और यहाँ पर भी यही कह रहे हैं, बैठ के ध्यान करो कि तुम कौन हो, कहाँ जाना है, किस लिए आए हो.
योग का ध्यान करने से कम से कम सब चीज़ें याद आ गई मुझे, इसको कि हम कहाँ जाए, कहाँ जाना है.
Ma'am have done a very good demonstration of yoga. और as she already said कि yoga is not a combination of asanas or exercise, it is a way of life. अगर आप आत्म संयमी हैं, कर्तव्य परायण हैं, संकल्पित हैं और ईर्ष्या से रहित हैं, तो आप योगा करते हैं और आप एक योगी हैं.
Good morning, everyone, respected faculties and Dr. Arati ma'am and all the chairpersons on the dais and dear students. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Praveen Katiyar sir to organize such a wonderful conference. And I am seeing this conference like a bunch of flowers and having so many different fragrances, so many different colors. Many speakers have talked so much differently in their fields. And I am seeing this like a bunch of flowers, and I am very thankful, ma'am, and for delivering such a wonderful and nicely presented yoga in this way. But apart from the health and the other benefits in the heart disease, we have so many studies in patients of alcohol dependence, and we proved that. In patients of alcohol dependence, yoga have a beneficial effect in the WHO quality of life scores in like the physical, psychological, environmental and the other domains. तो मैं आपको बच्चों आप सब लोग को यही मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप भी कुछ टाइम अपना योगा के लिए देंगे और एक स्ट्रेसफुल एक लाइफ जीने की कोशिश करेंगे. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
I thank all the chairpersons for their really very good comments and sparing their knowledge. And finally, we conclude by saying that yoga is a 24 hours, you can say, lifestyle. Once you get up in the morning until you go to sleep, and that sleep is also called yoga nidra. You are using that nidra also. So 24 hours is a way of life. If somebody follows it, probably he will never become sick. Even, for example, Dr. Arati was talking, what you speak, what vibrations are produced in your body, affecting all your cells of your body. All vibration of your words speak your own body, your own health, your own body. Like example, the yoga, this word Om she described. So that is an example that whole day, whatever you speak, what words you speak, they are affecting your own body. So everything, according to yoga, if somebody follows, is probably the best form of preventive thing in the world. Thank you, everybody here. Hand over the mic to
with your
Dr. Praveen
permission,
Katiyar.
with your kind permission, please, Dr. Trivedi. Regarding
उनसे कहो कि दोनों लोग यार खींच लो फोटो सामने जाओ कहाँ दिया देखो अबे कहाँ हटाया वो सामने खड़ा है आप जाओ कहो जाके वहाँ उधर वाली खाली उधर जाके बैठ जाओ.
Who did yoga at different angiograms without bypass.
हम जा चंद्रा पेड़ ले
सबके फेवरेट टीचर थे. इतना पढ़ाते थे, बीइंग अ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटर इतना पढ़ाते थे, बाकी सारे टीचर्स इतना अकेले पढ़ाते थे. और अभी भी मुझे जो सब याद है, ग्लैंडुलर हार्ट डिजीज वगैरह के फीचर्स, वो इनके बताए, इनकी आवाज़ अभी भी कान में आती है जो ये पढ़ाते थे. एक बार ये मेरे से नाराज हो गया, मुझे डांट दिया था. वो क्यों? एक बार ये पढ़ा रहे थे बॉल वेल थ्रोम्बस, तो मैं ये बार बार सोच रही थी ये बिल्कुल नए हम लोग 3rd ईयर में आए थे, पर ये हमेशा ऐसे पढ़ाते थे जैसे वो पीजी स्टूडेंट को पढ़ा रहे हैं वो, लेकिन अच्छा तरीका होता। मैंने देखा दिमाग में घुस जाता हमेशा के लिए। आप ये मत सोचिए 3rd ईयर पढ़ा रहे हैं तो आप उनको हाई एंड तक नहीं पढ़ाएंगे। तो बॉल वेल्व थ्रोम्बस पढ़ा रहे थे, मैंने तो कभी सुना ही नहीं। तो इन्होंने जब भी कहा तो मैं सोचती थी 2 बार क्यों कहते हैं बॉल वेल्व थ्रोम्बस या वेल्व थ्रोम्बस, ये नहीं समझा बॉल वेल्व थ्रोम्बस। तो मुझे हंसी आ गई। मैं कहा ये 2 बार वेल्व थ्रोम्बस हम बार पूछ रहे हैं क्या? मैंने यही सोचा, मैंने कहा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है बोलने में। तब मैं मुझे हंसी आ गई बहुत तेज, मुझे हंसी बहुत आ रही थी तो डांट भी पड़ती थी उसके। तो सर ने मुझे डांट दिया था उसके लिए। तब उन्होंने कॉपी ली लिख के बताया। फिर मैं कभी नहीं भूल सकती अब बॉल वेल्व थ्रोम्बस। मैं अपने स्टूडेंट को पहली चीज पढ़ाती हूँ बॉल वेल्व थ्रोम्बस।
अब मैं इसको बॉल वॉल थ्रोम्बस नहीं कहता हूँ, मैं कहता हूँ पटनाले में गेंद फंस गई है। थैंक यू। इनफैक्ट जो हमारे टीचर्स ने हमें पढ़ाया था वो इससे बहुत अच्छा था। वी हैड स्टालवर्ट्स ऑफ देयर फील्ड्स व्हिच आर नो मोर सीन, दे हैव बिकम एक्सटिंक्ट ब्रीड। No, you have carried the legacy. You see, I was thinking in the morning, there was a problem. I was supposed to get degree to submit for ECFMG, and I came to Kanpur University's office. It was lunch time, and all degrees were scattered on the table with the pen with which he is writing. And I thought, यार इस डिग्री की ये वैल्यू है, यहाँ पढ़ी हुई है ऐसे, इसके लिए हम इतनी मेहनत करते हैं। तो एक्चुअली जो टीचर्स ने पढ़ाया है वो उस डिग्री की वैल्यू है, ना कि उस कागज की वैल्यू है। सो दैट इज मोर वैल्यूएबल एंड वी शुड वैल्यू। एंड आई ऑलवेज से दिस एवरीवेयर, एवरी डे, दैट व्हाट आवर टीचर्स हैव टॉट अस, देयर इज नो मैच फॉर इट। And the medical college those days was at its peak. And I was fortunate, I was telling the boys who went to receive me that by luck I came to Kanpur. I was admitted to Agra Medical College. And I don't know why my destiny brought me to Kanpur. And today also I am standing in Kanpur. Thank you very much everyone. और प्रवीण कटियार जी हमारे जो हैं ये अब शिरोमणि हो गए हैं, तो शिरोमणि प्रवीण कटियार जी को बहुत बहुत बधाई। इन्हीं के चुंबकत्व से हम यहाँ आ जाते हैं।
एक मैं और इनकी फनी स्टोरी बताऊं, बहुत अच्छी बात है। हम लोग ने सीखा भी कि हर मरीज एक तो वार्ड में कहे किसके अंडर भर्ती हो, डॉक्टर मोहसिन वली। हर मरीज यही कहता डॉक्टर मोहसिन वली के अंडर भर्ती हो। उनको कंसल्टेंट का नाम किसी का नाम नहीं, क्योंकि सवेरे 6 बजे आ जाते थे। सर आप 6 बजे आते थे, ये बात मैं गलत नहीं कह रही हूँ, और रात में 10, 11 बजे 12 बजे जाते थे, क्योंकि डॉक्टर सिक्का 6 बजे राउंड लेते थे। और जो भी है किसका वो करना है, लंबर पंक्चर करना है, कोई रीनल बायोप्सी करनी है, कोई टैपिंग करनी है, तो नीडल विडल कुछ नहीं ढूंढना पड़ता था। दाहिने जूते से एलपी नीडल निकलता था, बाएं जूते से कोई सिरिंज निकला, कहीं मोजे से, जूते से, पता नहीं कहाँ से ये निकाल के, और तुरंत 2 मिनट लॉस नहीं होता था, प्रोसीजर तुरंत होता था।
काम सीखने के लिए हम भी इनके पीछे घुमा करते थे। और एक दिनों एग्जाम्स नज़दीक आ गए, इनसे हमने कुछ बात की होगी, अपनी घबराहट कुछ बताई होगी, तो इन्होंने ये सीख दी थी कि इस एग्ज़ाम को लाइटली लो, क्योंकि पूरे दिन रोज दिन भर एग्ज़ाम होंगे तुम्हारे टिल एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ। सो दैट्स आई फाउंड रियली ट्रू, एवरी डे इज योर एग्जाम, यू हैव टू गिव गुड रिजल्ट्स।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच। नेक्स्ट सत्र के लिए मैं आमंत्रित कर रहा हूँ डॉक्टर AC अग्रवाल जी को, कृपया आएँ और कंडक्ट कराएं। जो हमारे स्पीकर थे प्रोफेसर अनूप मिश्रा जी, उनका